Welcome to Best Choice. The Best Tandem X is probably one of the most exciting and accessible ways to experience the thrill of rocketry, offering a fantastic dual launch capability that sets it apart from single rocket kits and promises double the fun for aspiring aerospace engineers and hobbyists alike. Number 5. Estes 2274 Recovery Wadding. Ensure a safe return for your rocket after every launch. This pack provides flame-resistant sheets for numerous flights, offering peace of mind for your model rocket adventures. Safeguard your rocket's parachute from motor ejection heat. These sheets act as a barrier, preventing damage and ensuring your parachute deploys correctly for a smooth landing. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, this wadding is crucial for any rocket recovery kit. It's the perfect accessory for educational gifts and ensures a successful recovery every time. Designed with safety in mind, our products align with the NR safety code. Enjoy the thrill of launching while knowing you're following best practices for a fun and safe experience. For decades, we've been dedicated to creating exciting STEM products that inspire young minds. Join our legacy of unforgettable launch experiences and foster a passion for aerospace. What we like. This recovery wadding is essential for protecting your rocket's parachute from motor ejection heat. If you are looking for a way to ensure safe landings and prolong the life of your rocket components, this is a must-have accessory. It provides peace of mind for every launch, especially for those who frequently fly their rockets. What people say. The 75 sheets are easy to handle and insert into the rocket, providing reliable protection for the parachute during ejection. It's flame retardant and does its job well, no damage to the rockets. It's a decent small pack for launching low-powered rockets with recovery parachutes and streamers. Number 4. Estes 1441 Journey Rocket Building Kit. Get ready for an exciting outer space-like adventure with this beginner rocket launch set. It's designed for kids ages 10 and up, offering a thrilling experience. Watch it soar up to an incredible 1,100 feet. The included launch pad and controller make it easy to aim for the stars and achieve amazing heights. This rocket kit is ready to assemble and can be completed in about an hour. It's a perfect way to inspire creativity and a passion for science. We prioritize safety with our designs, adhering to the NR Model Rocket Safety Code. Enjoy a safe and fun launch experience every time. For decades, we've been igniting imaginations with educational rocket kits. We are dedicated to providing exciting STEM products for aspiring aerospace enthusiasts. This set includes rocket parts, decals, a launch pad, and a controller. Just add engines, starters, wadding, and batteries to get ready for liftoff. What we like. This launch set is perfect for aspiring astronauts and first-time rocketeers. If you are looking for a complete package to get started with model rocketry quickly, this is an excellent choice. It offers an exciting introduction to the hobby with easy assembly and impressive flight capabilities. What people say. The base is plenty sturdy enough for small and medium-sized rocket kits being launched from a fairly level surface, like a park field. The angle is easy to adjust so that the rocket launches straight. The controller is a simple, one-button controller with a safety key to prevent accidental launch. The wires are long enough to put enough distance between you and rocket for safety. The rocket itself worked well. Using the largest recommended engines, I would estimate that it hit around 1,000 feet. We launched it 3 or 4 times, along with other rockets using the same pad and controller, and it launched perfectly every time, flew as straight as the wind would let it, and deployed the parachute each time for a safe, recoverable landing with no damage. Number 3. Estes Alpha 3 Rocket Building Kit. Introducing the Estes Alpha 3 Rocket Building Kit, perfect for beginners aged 10 and up. It's designed for easy assembly and an exciting first launch experience. This kit includes everything you need to build your rocket, like parts, decals, and a parachute. You'll also get a launch pad and controller for a simple blastoff. Watch it climb up to an impressive 1,150 feet. It's designed for first-time builders and is compatible with various rocket engines for different flight experiences. Spark creativity and a love for science as you assemble this rocket in about an hour. It comes with a launch pad and controller for an unforgettable experience. We prioritize safety with this model, following the NR safety code. Just ensure a safe launch site, a countdown, and enjoy the thrill of liftoff. Since 1958, Estes has been providing exciting STEM products for all ages. This kit continues that tradition, offering an engaging and educational launch experience. What we like. This model rocket kit offers a slightly higher flight ceiling than some other beginner options. If you are a beginner who wants to experience a bit more altitude and enjoys the satisfaction of building a classic-looking rocket, this one is a great pick. It balances ease of assembly with a more thrilling ascent. What people say. The Estes rockets are made fairly well and can fly true. Putting it together was relatively simple. The bright orange color is a plus as it helps in locating a rocket as it falls back to Earth. Number 2. Estes 1403 Riptide Rocket Building Kit. Introducing the Riptide launch set, perfect for beginners aged 10 and up. It's designed for easy launching with no building required, offering a fantastic model rocket experience right out of the box. Watch it soar up to an incredible 675 feet. This model rocket is designed for impressive altitude, compatible with various rocket engines for exciting flights. Get ready for immediate fun. This set comes fully decorated and includes the launch pad and controller, so you can head outside and prepare for blastoff in no time. We prioritize safety while ensuring maximum fun. Always follow the NR safety code for a secure and enjoyable launch experience. Since 1958, we've been igniting imaginations with exciting STEM products. Join us in fostering a passion for aerospace and creating unforgettable experiences. What we like. This rocket is designed for immediate fun and minimal hassle. If you are looking for a way to get into the air as quickly as possible without any building or assembly, this is the ideal choice. It's perfect for spontaneous launch sessions or for those who prefer to focus purely on the flying experience. What people say. It works great and seems to be holding up okay after a few launches. It's nice that it comes with everything you need to launch. The rocket itself is what you would expect for an inexpensive beginner rocket. It's ready to use right out of the box, and the whole setup, including launch pad, took about 5 minutes to assemble. Very easy. Number 1. Estes 1250 Interceptor Flying Model Rocket Kit. Introducing the Interceptor, a model rocket kit designed for impressive flight. It stands over 2 feet tall and offers excellent performance. When launched with the recommended engine, this gorgeous rocket can soar to heights of 525 feet. Prepare to be the star of your launch site. This is an expert-level kit, intended for those with advanced building and launching skills. It requires a certain level of experience to assemble and fly. It delivers excellent flight performance on B and C engines. You can choose from several recommended engine types for your flights. Be the hit at your launch site and get your Interceptor today. Experience the thrill of high-flying model rockets. What we like. This rocket is for the more experienced modeler who enjoys a challenge. If you are looking for a project that requires advanced building and finishing skills, and you desire impressive flight performance on powerful engines, this expert-level kit is for you. It's designed for those who appreciate the craft of model rocketry and want a substantial model. What people say. Classic Estes design, great-looking rocket in suggested or custom color patterns. This design has been around for about 50 years and is one of the most popular models that has good looks and great performance on AC engine. My son made this rocket for a 4-H project. He was chosen as a state fair alternate. It has great detail and the finished product looked great. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.